Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. May God bless you. Today I want to show you how to install piston rings for the beginners, people who are still learning how to install piston rings on a piston. So I hope this video will be beneficial for you. So in this video I'll show you how to install the piston rings. Okay, so let's start. So okay, let me show you first thing. These are two piston rings. In other words, these are called compression rings. Okay, now these are two different types of rings. This is top one, this is top two. Okay, and then we have this, the expander ring, and we have these two support rings. In my country they call it shims. Okay, so first of all you must start with this ring. Now this ring comes here, this expander ring goes here, the top one ring goes in here, top two ring goes in here, and the oil ring goes in here. So let's start. Take this ring, put it like this. Take this first shim, take this shim, put it in here. Take the second one, put it in here. So this is it. Take the top two ring, put it in here. Do not use force because sometimes they can break. Okay, take the top one ring, put it in here. So that's it. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.